Hello and welcome to ManuscriptEdit's podcast. This is Sushri Sangeeta and you are listening to the second episode of our podcast series, Types of Scientific Articles. In this episode, I'll talk about the significance of review articles in academic research. This podcast series will run throughout September with fresh episodes releasing every Friday. So, let's dive into today's topic. In academic research, review articles serve as crucial tools for knowledge dissemination and synthesis. These comprehensive summaries of existing research provide systematic analysis of established findings, aiding both beginners and experts in understanding the current state of a particular field. So let's explore the purpose, structure, and impact of various review articles. Review articles, often termed as literature review or survey articles, fulfill several fundamental objectives. They meticulously condense extant research within a specific field or on a defined topic, offering a snapshot of the prevailing knowledge. They critically evaluate and amalgamate findings and concepts from numerous studies, unveiling prevalent trends, patterns, and research gaps. These articles elucidate essential concepts, theories, methodologies, and ongoing debate within a particular discipline, facilitating the comprehension of intricate subjects. Review articles set benchmarks for prospective research by highlighting areas necessitating further exploration and suggesting potential research direction. They serve as educational resources, aiding students, researchers, and professionals in gaining a comprehensive understanding of complex topics and often becoming foundational references for future studies. Review articles predominantly adhere to a structured format with minor variations contingent on field and journal requirements. The framework of a review article generally consists of a title, abstract, introduction, main body, and lastly the conclusion. A concise title that encapsulates the article's scope is highly necessary. The abstract summarizes the research question, methodology, primary findings, and implications. The introduction section contextualizes the topic's significance, outlines the review's objectives, and establishes the research context. The main body is segmented into subsections, each dedicated to a specific aspect of the topic. Authors present and critically evaluate key findings, concepts, and methodologies employed in preceding studies. They synthesize the information, elucidating patterns, controversies, and knowledge gaps. This section often incorporates the author's insights and interpretations. Finally, a concise summary of the main takeaways and the article's significance is given in the conclusion section, frequently suggesting opportunities for future research. Review articles exert a profound impact on the scientific community, yielding several discernible outcomes. Firstly, they act as valuable tools for knowledge dissemination, making complex subjects more accessible to newcomers in a particular field. Secondly, these articles guide research direction by pinpointing gaps in existing knowledge, directing researchers towards areas where their contributions are most needed. Moreover, they contribute to the scholarly recognition of authors, as review articles are often cited extensively, bolstering the author's academic standing. Finally, review articles are indispensable for informed decision making, serving as valuable resources for policymakers, practitioners, and professionals who rely on them to shape their decisions and practices. Review articles, as pragmatic tools in academic research, offer a concise means of simplifying complex topics and significantly contribute to the progression of knowledge. Whether one seeks foundational insights as a student or remains abreast of developments in their field as a seasoned researcher, review articles are indispensable resources. These articles will remain pivotal instruments in our pursuit of knowledge. Embrace the significance of review articles to unearth the valuable knowledge they contain. This is it for today's episode. Hope it was informative and interesting for you. Tune in every Friday at Scholar Hangout to listen to new such podcasts. Until then, post in your queries and suggestions at ManuscriptEdit.com or mail us directly at support@ManuscriptEdit.com. Happy listening!